Hello and welcome back to Indition Forms. Today we're going to show you how to create a multi-form with a progress bar. My form example is going to be a 5-step form with that progress bar. You can use this process for any form with 2 steps or more. So let's get started. From your dashboard, you want to click on Manage Forms. You'll then click on your form design. For this example, I'm using Form Design 7. As you can see in this form, we have fields for full name, phone number, full address, website, and email address. To make this into a multi-step form and add a progress bar, you'll want to click on the Advanced Designer tab at the top of the bar. In the Advanced Designer, you will then click on the blue Create Design button. You will then see this page. You'll want to click on the blue Settings button on the right top. To the left, you will see a design structure toggle that says single page. You'll want to toggle this and it will change to multi-step. It'll then appear the progress bar toggle and it'll show as no. To add the progress bar, you'll then click the toggle to yes. In the middle of the screen, you will then see a tab titled Progress Bar will appear. This is where you can design the layout and look of your progress bar. Click on this tab. As you can see, we have multiple options on what you can do for your progress bar and how it will look. In the next video, we'll show you how to do it in depth of designing your progress bar. So for this video, we're going to choose the second option. Once you have chosen the design you desire, scroll down and click the green Continue button. Scroll to the top of the screen and click the green Save Changes button. The changes have now been saved. Once you have saved your changes, click again to the Advanced Designer tab. Then click your most recent design. In my case, this is Custom Design 3. To format where you want your progress bar, simply click on the progress bar box, and to the right in the row styling box, you'll scroll down and you'll see the positions for top, bottom, left, center, or right. I'm going to choose for my form bottom center. This will move my progress bar to the bottom of the form. You will then notice on the top of the form that there is a header, subtitle, and sublabel, and they're automatically added for you. If you do not wish to have these fields on your form, simply click in the box, scroll down on the right in the Element Styling box till you see the field labels, Hide Label, and Hide Sublabel. Click both boxes to hide both options. Just an FYI, you will need to do this on each page of your form. So you're now ready to add fields and steps to your form. For the first page of my form, I'm going to add the full name field. Simply click and hold the field in the left list of field options and drag it and drop it to your form. I'm going to then scroll down to the green plus button and click that once. This will give me the second page of my form. Now you will need to go and format the progress bar and your headers again as you did on the first one. So click the progress bar, scroll on the right in the row styling box, click the bottom center since that's what I chose as my format. Since I don't want a header or subtitle on my second page, I will do as I previously showed you and click the hide label boxes in the element styling. Now I'm going to add my full address field for option page 2. Click the green button at the bottom and continue on for page 3. You will continue to do this process of adding your element, formatting your progress bar, formatting your header, clicking the green plus button until you're happy with your form. You will notice that with each page that you add to the form, the progress bar will then add another step. To preview your form, scroll to the top of the screen and on the right hand side, click the green button to preview page. Congratulations! You now have a multi-form with progress bar.